Well, they did it again, guys. AC Infinity dropped the VPD thermometer this time. We believe it may be inspired of the pandemics of yesteryear. I gotta be honest, I didn't even know this little accessory was coming out, but John made sure to run the company card and snag a few of these units before they most likely sell out. So let's get one of these busted out of the box and see what 30 bucks gets us. So we finished our real world store application testing of the thermometer. So here's what we found, guys. Why would we want this tool for 30 bucks? Let me tell you, I've seen a lot of laser temp guns in my day, and those are great. They're used in a lot of industries, but this gun right here, they kind of plant nerded this up for us. How did they do that? They added ambient temp, ambient humidity, ambient VPD, or air VPD as we like to call it, and then they gave us plant tissue readings. Plant tissue, temp, plant tissue, VPD. Now that's where this gets very interesting. So let's think about why they're putting all that into this gun. Well, we can do two things with this gun. We can run it as a standalone, just to use anywhere, anytime. But the cool thing that AC Infinity's looking at and kind of looking out for the growers is this. They want us to have this tool so we can use a little function on their controller 69 controller to dial it in. It's called the leaf offset function. So you can use this gun to take real-time leaf temp as well as leaf VPD, take the reading, use the formula in their manual, and adjust your leaf offset setting. Okay guys, let's kind of go down through the plant gun nerd breakdown design, and it kind of starts with the display. The display working down the left column is your general readings of air temp, relative humidity, and air VPD. Now when we work our way over to the right side of the display, the larger displays are showing your plant temp tissue. So leaf tissue temp, and let's look at leaf VPD. So you have two larger readings that are directly being taken as readings off the plant. Those are pretty much the basics of the display of everything that's broken down, including a battery meter, which comes in handy from time to time. You also have a handy little button setting right down the center for doing all your menu selecting, and then up-down arrows for changing calibration. It's pretty simple, easy to use. Their manual they include also from AC Infinity is very easy to go through and make adjustments. I'm not going to get into them all today because it's kind of boring, but two other features I did like when using this tool was the memory retention function, where this will store up to 5 readings that you take prior, so you can go back and actually make comparisons to past climate checks that you do or leaf checks. Okay, the other thing is, I don't know if anyone else noticed, but the wide range of readings that this thing could do. So it works, I guess, within a range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit, but up to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit.
Damn hot, real hot. Hot in this is my shorts. I can cook things in it. Little crotch pot cooking.
Unfortunately, we could not find anything that was 1,000 degrees plus to do that reading to confirm it, but let us know. Chime in on the boards, guys. In closing, guys, we just wanted to cover the product warnings real quick because, believe it or not, we do read the manual. John, I wanted you to throw this up on the screen real quick. I did notice line 3 did mention, if you do have reduced mental capabilities, it's probably best you do not buy this gun. Trust us, we're just trying to protect you. And in line 6, AC Infinity, they threw a good one at us. They said, do not operate this gun while it malfunctions. Well, whatever that means, if it happens, just don't do it. Don't do it, all right? So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to us and hit the bell notification for our next video drop. Hey, where do you think this light goes? Do you think it goes this way? It could, but it probably goes this way.